Industrial remote controlling. Which fields are used? 1. Mining machinery. For kitchens with low visibility in mines, an industrial wireless remote control equipped with a feedback device can be used to control hydraulic machinery. Allows easy control of heavy rock drilling spindles, even in low visibility. Environmental statistics. The radio control unit adopts IP55 protection standard and is fully adapted to use in wet and salty environments. It greatly increases the safety, comfort and accuracy of operation, saves investment and improves efficiency. 2. Construction tower crane. In Europe and North America, more than 60% of buildings uses wireless remote control. Mode control. Cost saving not only in equipment manufacturing, no aerial operation station. Safety and reliability are also fully guaranteed, improving construction efficiency. See you next time.